Hello friends, so we are back with another video regarding this computational chemistry. Now in this video we are going to study the X-ray crystallographic structures. Now these X-ray crystallographic structures are generally a very complicated analysis, and they are done by the X-ray crystallographic system. So that we are not going to discuss. We are going to discuss the analysis of these crystallographic structures. Now generally this is done by a software, by a very well known software. It's called Crystal Maker. And now this Crystal Maker is easily available in the getintopc.com. That you, if you, there you go, you will able to understand, you will get to download the that software, and you can easily install in your system. So it's not a big deal. So if you want, I can give you the link. So no problem. So in this crystal maker, we are going to study two things. First, a ready-made crystallographic structure file. We will just download from a database the ready-made crystallographic structures files in the format of CIF, and then we are going to study that structure in crystal maker. And second thing is that we are going to study some other compounds or other structures actually, which are not directly obtained as crystals. They are to be converted into crystals. So they are normal structures. We will be convert them into crystalline structures, and then we will study their crystalline structures. So that is the beauty of this crystal maker. It says crystal maker, so it makes crystalline structures. So that we will study. Generally there is a software called Crystal Explorer. So that is, the word explorer and maker is a different thing. Explorer explores only. It will study the ready-made structure of the crystals in the form of in the .ci format, which you will download from the database, and you will just analyze. That's the thing. Somebody has done something, you are analyzing that. But in Crystal Maker, you can make your own crystalline structures, and you can study them. So that is the difference between Crystal Maker and Crystal Explorer. Crystal Explorer is also available in getintopc.com. You will get more videos on Crystal Explorer, because Crystal Explorer is a very common software. You will get many videos about Crystal Explorer in internet. But Crystal Maker, there is no video. So this is the first introducing video of the Crystal Maker. So anyhow, we will study those two things. First, we will discuss the Crystal Maker. First, study the structure of the ready-made crystal structures, and secondly, we will going to study our own made crystalline structures. So both we are going to study in this video. So let us move to the download that crystal database. From that crystal database, and then we will start the crystalline structures, and all this we will be going there. So let us go to the crystalline database. So friends, we are on the internet, and we will just going to the crystallographic database. So here is our crystallographic database. So here you see the structure search access, so structures CCDC. So this is our crystallographic database. So here is our database. So here we are going to find out the structures. So we are just given the name as graphite, and we are going to download the structure of graphite, and we are going to search. And as you can see, the structure is appearing, and here is the different types of models are here. The structural models are here. So we are going to download this YO2 this structure. So this is our structure, and you can see this is the three-dimensional model over here. So we are going to download this structure. So we are going to download this structure, and here is the download, and we will just download the current entry. So don't put anything else, just current entry. So here what they are saying, they are just given some instructions. Just put your name and email ID and your institution name, nothing else, and just accept the terms and conditions and go for download. So it will take a little bit time, so don't worry. So here it is getting downloaded. So just save it, and it is downloaded. So now we are going to go to the crystal maker, and we will open this file, and we will do other analysis. So we are leaving this page, and we are going to the crystal. We are on the crystal maker. So as you can see, we are just in the crystal maker. Our crystal maker is opening, and it is opened. The crystal maker has started open. As you can see, this is the front interface of the crystal maker. So now we are going to open the CI files. First we are going to study the crystallographic data from the ready-made crystallographic file or the ready-made CI file. So we are going to open and opening with the format of CIF. So you can see this is the format of CIF. So here we will open from the format of CIF. So as it is there, we can go to the next. We will open the crystal maker. So just open in the format of CIF, and then this will open. So this will open. So definitely it should open. Let me see. So it is opened. So now you can see the crystal file. You can see the beautiful crystal file. So here is the file. You can see the beautiful crystal file. This is the crystalline structure of a molecule. So now what we are going to do, here you can see in the left hand side corner that some of the levels are here. So some of the levels are over here. You can see from here some of the levels are over here. So this we are going to just color them. You can change the color, and then you will see how it looks, how beautiful it will look. So just change the color of according to the molecule. This is fluorine, and fluorine will give this color, or you can see give this color. Means nitrogen is blue, the sodium is yellow, or you can see this color, and oxygen is red. So now you see how it looks. So how beautiful the crystal looks in crystal maker. So this is the beauty of crystal maker. So you can see this is the beauty of the crystal maker. So this format also you can check, and this format also you can check. So these are the formats of crystal maker. So this is the actual format. So here you can see. Now you can study the different things. So d-spacing calculator. So this is your d-spacing calculator, and now this is calculate, and you can calculate the porosity. The porosity, you can calculate the porosity also. It is calculating. Let me see, it will take a little bit time. So it is calculating, still it is calculating. Okay, now let us calculate. It stopped calculating something. It's a very complicated structure, so it is taking very long time. So anyway, from this calculating these things, you can go for these structures. You can go for the structures. Okay. Now so now you can calculate from here. We can calculate the volumetric data. We can calculate the atomic density map. So here the main thing, the atomic density map. So it is calculating the atomic density map. So here you can see the atomic density map. You can see the atomic density map. You can explore and you can see the atomic density map. You can see the atomic density map of this crystal. So this is your crystal maker on ready-made structures. The structures which are ready-made direct from CI file that you can study. So now we are moving to the next part of this video, that is the actual work of crystal maker, that is converting in structure, normal structure, into a crystalline structure. Then you observe the beauty of crystal maker. So let us see. So first let us close the file, and we are going to open one. Now here it is little bit, you have to open the mole file, that is in the format of mole file. Before that, what you have to do, you have to save the file in mole file in HD format. Now how will you save this in HD format? You have to go to Discover Studio, open a mole file, save it in the HD format. Then it will open in the Crystal Maker. That molecule will open in the Crystal Maker, and it will able to generate the files. So that I will let me show you how to open that. So let us move the Crystal Maker off, and we will be opening the Discovery Studio. This is our Discovery Studio, and we will be opening the Discovery Studio. As you can see, it is opening. So Discovery Studio has opened, and we will be opening one. So here is our opening one. Just a molecule, 3D molecule. So any molecule we just can open. No, let me see. Okay, let me see this molecule. This is a imaginary molecule. This is an aniline molecule. So let me see whatever it is. So this is our molecule. So this is our crystalline molecule. Just a mole file. Now just this we will have to save in the format of where is this format? Where is this format one? You can see here it is the format. This is the mole MDL mole HD file. So you can see this mole MDL mole HD files. This one, this SD, HDF, mole, MDF. So this format you have to save, and this we can save here in the 3D models. So now this discovery work is over. Now we will go to the Crystal Maker. Now this Crystal Maker is ready to open that file in the SD format. So here we have to choose file open in the format of small file. So we are going to the desktop, we are going to 3D models, studio. Now this open, we are going to open in the format of mole file, and it is in the desktop, so it will easily we will get it, and in HD. So this should open. File should open in the Crystal Maker. See the crystalline structure. You can see the crystalline structure. This is the crystalline structure vanadium. So now we will transfer this into crystal. As you can see, molecule to crystal. So it is already done. You can see it is done. So now we just copy it to the main window, and it is done. So before that we can change the background. Here we can change the background, and we can just change the background, model, background, and this one will do, and you can see whether it is. So just you can change the color as usual. You can change the color, chlorine to this color, this vibrant green, this oxygen to this red, this phosphorus, this one, or you can change the phosphorus to this one. You can change this sulfur to vibrant yellow, and this titanium to something like this, and you can see the beautiful color of this crystal. So now the same way you can calculate from here, then space calculator, this spacing calculator, all this you can calculate. You can calculate the volumetric, from the volumetric data you can calculate the electron density map. Okay, now here is the electron density, is now calculating the electron density map, and this type of different calculations you will be able to see. So this is your Crystal Maker actually. So here electron density map is already calculated. You can see the electron density is over here. This you can just go on. Just go to the calculate, and you will different things are available. Porosity, single crystal, everything is available. From here, this transform, you have to convert the crystal into crystal to molecule. You can just, now you can transfer from crystal to molecule. Now this is a crystal, you can again go back to the crystal to molecule, molecule to crystal, crystal to molecule. This you can transform. And from here you can change the background color. You can add title, you can add titles, you can stick, you can probably make the molecules like that, name feeding on, sort of things like that. You just go on studying and all that. So this is just quite a good, very good thing is that. So one thing, another thing you can do, now we can just convert this, if we convert, or rather we can, if we close this, just you can close this, and we can open again one format of this more file. We can just open and assign SD. So just show another thing, another beautiful thing I will show you. So it is opening. Though the file is open, this is the raw file. So just here, just first let me color this color. Let us color this is black and white. So just let us color it first. Like this, the phosphorus this one, the sulfur is this one, and this tantalum is, say, we can just this one. Okay, now it is colored. So now from here, one thing is that you can see this vibrate button, this vibrate option. So just go on for that. And you see, it is showing the infrared spectrum of this structure. You can see different vibrations. So the structure is just wagging and giving you the vibrations, so infrared vibrations. This you can see, the molecules are wagging and different parts are selected. So here you can see the different spectrums, and also you can see this is absorbance, you can change it to transmittance. So different structures you can see from here to here, everything you can see. You can see the structures, and also this you can copy this graph, you can copy, and this also you can copy and save. This video also you can save. So this is the beauty of the crystal maker. You can even have the infrared spectrum of this crystal. After the structure is made, you can have the crystal maker. So this is what crystal maker is. So if you want more videos about crystal maker, I will do in my next part. So up to this much. So thank you very much. So bye from now.